Hello again, bird amigos. Today I have a list of 3 very interesting birds for you to look for in your trip to southeast Brazil. The forest formation called Atlantic Rainforest is considered a hotspot for conservation due to its high level of endemic species and a long history of human degradation. Sadly, only around 16% of the original is left. As it used to be huge, this 16% has large tracts of forests. And that is why it is a major destination for birders worldwide. The first bird on our list is my favorite cotinga of Brazil. The swallow-tailed cotinga is a striking bird with a very peculiar plumage. You're gonna love it. Note the black cap contrasting with a pale bill, the yellow chin, and a pied scaly breast. What a bird! This peculiar cotinga is found mainly in southeast Brazil, but there are scarce records in northern Argentina and southeast Paraguay. The endangered PAULO subspecies from northwest Bolivia is 2,500 kilometers away from the nominate species range. Soon they will be splitted, I guess. Inhabits montane forests, but performs altitudinal migrations in the winter time. Breeds in Brazil from September to February and places its nest on forks and heavy branches. Both individuals from the pair help the construction of it. And as we can see here, they use lots of lichen to disguise it, which in many times is not enough to prevent it from being robbed by predators. From personal observation I can tell, the red-breasted toucan is a fierce enemy of swallow-tailed cotingas, at least at Intervales State Park. Leave a comment if you have seen this bird and where. A very charming parrot is our second bird in today's list. Alone in its genus, the blue-bellied parrot is a must-see bird in our birding tours here. The lighter shade of green, the purplish-blue belly of the male, the pale beak, and a rather long but square tail are features that make this parrot unmistakable. Another peculiar feature of this species is its voice. Its calls are surprisingly melodic for a parrot, and that is why its common name in Brazil translated is thrush parrot. What a fantastic lifer! Not easy to find, this parrot never flies in the open, always inside or very close to the forest. Mature forest with native bamboo is the best place to look for it. Pay attention to its distinctive calls. Another very tricky bird to find is our last one on this list. The best place to look for the tiny buff-throated purple tuft is in the beautiful Ubatuba on the north coast of São Paulo, but it can also be found on other parts of the Brazilian coast. Now, in the Becards and Tataras family, this bird used to be placed with the cotingas and fruit crows. Hard to spot and even hear it, this small bird sits on the canopy of tropical humid Atlantic rainforest, where it sings a quite faint, high-pitched two-note song. And that is why it is a very tricky bird to find. The purple tufts have this name due to the male semi-concealed purple feathers under their shoulders. It is a real prize when you finally see this cool feature of this tiny bird.
We got lucky.
Endangered by loss of habitat, the buff-throated purple tuft is found in Desengano and Serra do Mar state parks, also Serra dos Órgãos National Park and Ubatuba Experimental Station. That's all, folks. Good luck. Leave a comment if you have seen any of those birds and where. And don't forget, birding is conservation. Visit natural areas to automatically create value to them. Thanks for watching. Ciao.
Right here. Oh my goodness.